Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're in the coffee shop cooking as normal. Now today I'm doing something a little bit special. Pancakes! Yes, that's the one. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. The recipe is under the video in the description. Right, first guys, start by pouring your milk into the bowl. Add in your eggs. Now you want to give this a really good whisk up. And this is the technique really, you want to get some air into it. Don't be afraid of the whisk. Right then, add a bit of salt. And now you add in your flour. Now this is strong flour, so you're going to give this a really good whisk up now. Because the gluten in it, it can go thick. So if it does go a little bit too thick, just add a little bit of water into it. That's it, we're almost there now. Right, now put a cover over it. And now you can leave that for around about 20 minutes. Now we can get on to frying them off. You can have a crepe pan or a large frying pan. Now you want to cover this with oil or unsalted butter. Now just ladle your mixture onto the hot plate or frying pan. They should cook for around about 30 to 40 seconds. Just lift them carefully, just have a look underneath, just to see how we're getting on. They want to be golden brown underneath, and just flick them over. Or if you feel up to it and you've got a frying pan, flick them in the frying pan. Right, they're almost ready. Once they're golden brown on the other side, they're ready. Again, it's 30 to 40 seconds on the other side. Now transfer them onto a plate. Oh, that one's not quite ready. Right, and now we'll get to putting some lemon on. It's an all-time favourite. Not forgetting to put some sugar on as well. And we just roll them up. I mean, you can eat these straight away, or you can actually freeze them, or put them in the fridge for another day and just reheat them if you want. There we go, just clean the plate off. That's all three done. All ready for lunch. Bit of a sprinkle on the sugar. And there we go, guys. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll tell you what, I certainly enjoyed eating those pancakes. They were absolutely lush. You've got to have a go. It's Frost Tuesday coming up. It's an absolute day to get on and do your own pancakes. Don't go and buy them from a supermarket in packets. It's so easy to do. It's unbelievable. Anyway, please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!